Hi, this is Steve at Resource Management Systems. In this Asset Placer video we're going to take a look at placement management and the features around archiving placements. Firstly, how you'd go about archiving a placement, then viewing those archive placements before finally how to unarchive a placement. Now, archiving placements would typically be used if a placement has been entered in error. It wouldn't be if the placement was cancelled or the resource declined. We'd use the confirm/decline resource or confirm/cancel location features for that, and those are covered in other videos. Deleting a placement removes it from our list of active placements but retains it within the database, and as I say, it would typically be used because a placement has been entered in error. So how do I archive placements? Well, there's several ways to achieve this. Firstly, we can just open up the placement record, and on the right hand side here we've got the archived yes/no option. If I click archived yes and submit, firstly we get the prompt about Joe's availability. We can just OK that. Then we see that the archive was saved successfully, and on the grid here that placement has disappeared from view. Now, the placement is still within the Asset Placer database. This is called a logical or soft delete, where the placement is simply hidden from the user. To get at that, if I go to my Show Hide Filters option, I've got the option on this view for my archived placements. By clicking this archived placements option, clicking submit, I can then see my Beach View placement again. So to unarchive this, I would simply open the record again. This time I'll tick the box on the left hand side and click edit rather than double click. And I would simply change the archive flagged from yes to no. Click submit, OK, OK, and again it disappears from my archive placement lists and then reappears on my active placement lists. So I did say there were several ways to archive placements. As we've seen, there's opening up the record itself. Alternatively, on the right hand side we do have this archive option. Now I can select one or a number of placements to archive. Click the archive option. Asset Placer is going to just ask me to confirm that I want to archive these 5 placement records. I'm going to click OK, being told that the placement records were archived successfully, and again they've disappeared from the list of placements that I've got for this week. I hope that you found this Asset Placer video useful. Thank you for your time in watching it today.